Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. A bread toaster machine is an essential kitchen appliance that has revolutionized breakfast routines worldwide. Whether you prefer a light golden toast or a crispy, well-toasted slice, the right bread toaster machine can deliver perfection every time. With a multitude of options available on the market, it can be challenging to choose the best one for your needs. To help you make an informed decision, we have curated a list of the top 5 best bread toaster machines. These toasters have been selected based on their performance, features, durability, and customer satisfaction. Let's dive into the world of toasting excellence and discover the perfect bread toaster machine to elevate your breakfast experience. Number 5. isfriday 1216 Bread Toaster Machine. I recently purchased the isfriday 1216 bread toaster machine, and I must say it has been a delightful addition to my kitchen. This toaster offers a range of features and functions that make breakfast preparation a breeze. First and foremost, the isfriday 1216 boasts a sturdy construction with a plastic housing, ensuring durability and longevity. The mechanical timer control adds a touch of simplicity to the toaster's operation, making it easy to use even for those who aren't tech-savvy. One notable feature of this toaster is the cancel function, which allows you to interrupt the toasting process at any time. This is particularly useful when you realize your toast needs a little less time to achieve the desired level of crispiness. Additionally, the reheat function comes in handy when you need to warm up previously toasted slices without further browning them. Number 4. Kemei 2,703,519 Bread Toaster Machine. I recently purchased the Kemei 2,703,519 Bread Toaster Machine, and I must say that it has exceeded my expectations. This toaster offers a sleek design and a range of useful features that make it a great addition to any kitchen. First and foremost, the compact size of the Kemei 2,703,519 is perfect for small kitchens or limited counter space. It doesn't take up much room and can be easily stored when not in use. The build quality feels solid, and the materials used are of good quality. One of the standout features of this toaster is its ability to toast bread evenly. The heating elements are well distributed, ensuring that every slice of bread is toasted to perfection. Whether you prefer a light golden toast or a crispy brown one, the Kemei 2,703,519 allows you to adjust the browning level to suit your preference. Number 3. HAOYUNMA DSLC02W1 Bread Toaster Machine. I recently purchased the HAOYUNMA DSLC02W1 Bread Toaster Machine, and I must say, it has quickly become an indispensable appliance in my kitchen. With its sleek stainless steel housing and compact design, it not only adds a touch of elegance to my countertop, but also delivers excellent performance. One of the standout features of this toaster is its mechanical timer control, which offers precise and reliable toasting settings. The timer allows me to adjust the browning level of my toast according to my preferences, ensuring that every slice comes out perfectly toasted, whether I prefer a light golden shade or a crispy brown finish. The automatic pop-up function is another convenient feature of this toaster. Once the toasting time is complete, the slices effortlessly pop up, eliminating the need to constantly monitor the toasting process. It gives me peace of mind, knowing that I can attend to other tasks in the kitchen without worrying about over-toasting or burnt bread. Number 2. Kemei 2,703,128 Bread Toaster Machine. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Kemei 2,703,128 Bread Toaster Machine, and overall, I am quite satisfied with its performance. This toaster machine comes with a range of features that make toasting bread a breeze. One of the standout features of the Kemei 2,703,128 is its mechanical timer control. It provides a simple and intuitive way to set the desired toasting time, allowing you to achieve the perfect level of crispness for your bread. The timer is easy to use and offers precise control over the toasting process. The housing of the toaster is made of plastic, which makes it lightweight and easy to handle. While it may not have the same durability as metal housing, it still feels sturdy and well constructed. The plastic material also ensures that the outer surface remains cool to the touch during operation, minimizing the risk of accidental burns. Number 1. Deerma DEM ZC10 Bread Toaster Machine. The Deerma DEM ZC10 Bread Toaster Machine is a compact and efficient appliance that allows you to enjoy perfectly toasted bread slices at home. With its sleek design and reliable performance, It offers a convenient solution for your toasting needs. Here's a detailed review of the Deerma DEM ZC10 based on its features and functionality. The toaster machine features a stainless steel and food-grade plastic construction, ensuring durability and safety. Its compact size of 260,360,300 millimeters makes it suitable for small kitchens or limited counter space. The metal liner adds to its sturdiness, making it capable of withstanding regular use. The Deerma DEM ZC10 offers 10 baking stalls, allowing you to customize the level of toasting according to your preference. Whether you prefer a light toast or a darker, crispy texture, this toaster machine provides versatility in achieving the perfect shade. Thanks for watching this video.